In this video, we're diving into the 5 best OBD2 scanners for 2025. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just want to stay on top of your vehicle's health, these scanners offer the latest tech to make diagnostics easier than ever. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Foxwell NT710. The Foxwell NT710 OBD2 automotive scanner is an advanced tool that provides full system diagnostics and powerful reset capabilities for your vehicle. This device supports diagnostics for the body, chassis, and powertrain systems, allowing you to read fault codes, clear error memory, and even check the live data of your car's ECU in real time. With the Foxwell NT710, you can diagnose components in the air conditioning, airbag, audio systems, seats, and much more. The tool also supports diagnostics for the engine, transmission, exhaust, fuel systems, and four-wheel drive systems, giving you a comprehensive view of your vehicle's health. One of the standout features of the NT710 is its ability to perform ECU coding, allowing you to customize and unlock hidden features in your car. It's compatible with Audi, VW, BMW, and other select vehicles, with updates expected for additional models. The scanner comes equipped with a large 5.5-inch touchscreen, Android 9.0 operating system, and a 4,000 mAh battery, ensuring smooth and efficient diagnostics. It also offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for wireless diagnostics, report generation, and online updates. Moreover, the NT710 supports multiple languages, with lifetime technical support and online troubleshooting available, so you'll always have assistance when needed. The tool even provides a 4-in-1 data stream, displaying live vehicle information in both text and graph formats for easy analysis. For Toyota, Lexus, and Scion owners, the Foxwell NT710 goes above and beyond with all system diagnostics, reset capabilities, and a powerful bidirectional control feature that allows you to test and control vehicle components directly. Number 4. Mucar VO6. The Mucar VO6 is a top-tier automotive diagnostic tool designed to make car repairs easier, more accurate, and more affordable. This scanner offers comprehensive diagnostics across all vehicle systems, providing full access to engine, transmission, airbags, anti-lock brake systems, tire pressure monitoring, and more. It supports over 93 vehicle makes, offering broad compatibility with cars, SUVs, light trucks, hybrids, and roadsters worldwide. The Mucar VO6 comes packed with over 28 reset functions, including oil resets, EPB resets, TPMS resets, and injector coding. It also offers advanced services like ABS bleeding, throttle body relearn, and key programming for immobilizers, all with lifetime free access. For professionals, it features bidirectional control, allowing you to activate components like windows, sunroofs, and fuel pumps for testing and troubleshooting. One of the standout features is the 4-in-1 live data graph that displays up to 120 data streams simultaneously. This tool makes diagnosing problems fast and intuitive. It also includes powerful reporting capabilities, allowing you to generate one-click diagnostic reports that can be stored, printed, or shared via email. Plus, you get online repair resources with access to service manuals, case studies, and expert technical support. With a 6-inch touchscreen and Android 10 operating system, the Mucar VO6 delivers a smooth, user-friendly experience. The scanner features Wi-Fi for wireless updates, ensuring your device always stays up to date with the latest software and vehicle models. And with its auto VIN scan, you can quickly identify and diagnose your vehicle with just one click. Number 3. Topdon ArtiDiag 600S. The Topdon ArtiDiag 600S is a powerful OBD2 scanner designed for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. This tool offers extensive vehicle coverage, supporting over 90 vehicle brands, including US, Asian, and European makes. It is compatible with vehicles from 1996 onwards, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of cars, SUVs, and light trucks. With the ArtiDiag 600 SEU, you can diagnose 4 major vehicle systems: engine, ABS SRS, and transmission. It helps read and erase fault codes, view live data, and reset warning lights. The scanner also offers 9 essential reset services, including oil reset, battery management system, reset, ABS bleeding, throttle adaptation, and more. These functions make it a great choice for routine maintenance and common repairs. The device features a large 5-inch touchscreen with a high-resolution display, making it easy to navigate and read data. It also offers live data analysis with the option to display results in plain text or as merged graphs, simplifying troubleshooting. You can save, share, or print diagnostic reports, and the tool includes a built-in DTC lookup to quickly interpret error codes without needing to search online. The ArtiDiag 600S runs on Android 11.0, ensuring fast boot-up times and smooth operation. It comes with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, providing plenty of space for updates and data management. With one-touch Wi-Fi updates, you'll always have access to the latest software and vehicle model support, all at no additional cost. Number 2. Thinkcar ThinkScan Plus S7. The Thinkcar ThinkScan Plus S7 is an advanced OBD2 scanner that offers comprehensive diagnostic capabilities for car owners and professionals alike. This tool provides diagnostic support for 7 essential vehicle systems, including the engine, transmission, ABS airbag, air conditioning, body control module, and instrument cluster systems. It reads and clears fault codes, displays real-time data, and even offers dynamic data playback, making it easier to analyze vehicle performance and pinpoint issues. With support for over 100,000 vehicles across 126 plus car makes, including US, European, and Asian models, the ThinkScan Plus S7 is a versatile scanner. It is also equipped with a 5-inch touchscreen that runs on Android 6.0, delivering smooth and fast performance thanks to its 1.3 GHz quad-core processor and 16 GB of memory. The device can handle more vehicle models and comes with 28 maintenance and reset services, including options for ABS bleeding, throttle body adaptation, injector coating, and more. You can select up to 5 reset services for free, with lifetime updates available via Wi-Fi. The scanner supports all 10 OBD2 test modes, allowing you to perform emissions checks, monitor sensor data, and reset warning lights. Additionally, it features AutoVIN technology, which automatically detects the vehicle's information and provides a DTC code library for easy interpretation of error codes. The ThinkScan Plus S7 is also compatible with 94 vehicle brands and supports 28 languages, making it a truly global tool. Number 1. Thinkcar 689BT. The Thinkcar 689BT is an advanced automotive diagnostic tool that provides a comprehensive range of functions, perfect for both professionals and car enthusiasts. This device offers full system diagnostics, covering essential vehicle systems such as the engine, transmission, ABS SRS brake systems, and more. It supports over 100 car brands, including hybrids, and covers both diesel and gasoline vehicles manufactured after 1996, though it doesn't support pure electric vehicles or 24-volt trucks. One of the standout features of the 689BT is its ability to perform 34 reset functions, including oil reset, brake reset, battery management system, BMS reset, and more. It also supports ACU coding, which allows for reprogramming vehicle control modules after repairs, enhancing drivability and fuel efficiency. Additionally, it features active test, or bidirectional control, which lets you control and test components like windows, mirrors, lights, and even the radiator fan, making diagnostics and repairs faster and more efficient. The 689BT also supports CANFD and DOIP protocols, ensuring compatibility with newer vehicles for faster and more reliable communication. Another key feature is the FCA AutoAuth support, which allows you to unlock advanced diagnostic functions for Chrysler, Dodge, and other FCA vehicles, though you will need to purchase a separate FCA GFC account for this. With lifetime free updates and wireless capabilities, the Thinkcar 689BT offers a cost-effective solution for maintaining and diagnosing a wide range of vehicles. It even allows for customization of vehicle settings, such as changing the interior light color or disabling the auto start-stop function. There you have it, the 5 best OBD2 scanners for 2025. Which one do you think is the best for your needs? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.